Ever wondered why drought-resistant landscapes can be a game-changer for your garden? These landscapes are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're also functional. They help in conserving water, reducing your garden's thirst in areas plagued by water scarcity or drought conditions. The bonus? They're low maintenance and provide a habitat for local wildlife. It's like having your own little ecosystem right in your backyard. Creating a drought-resistant landscape is not just a trend, but a necessity for sustainable gardening. Now, you may question, how can I create a drought-resistant landscape? Well, it's simpler than you think. The first step is to choose the right plants. Opt for native species or those adapted to dry conditions. They are already accustomed to the local climate and require less water to thrive. The next step is optimizing irrigation. Water deeply but less frequently to encourage the development of deep root systems. This helps plants withstand drought better. Improving soil conditions is another crucial aspect. Incorporating organic matter into your soil can significantly increase its water retention capacity, meaning less frequent watering. Finally, using mulch is a great way to reduce evaporation. A layer of mulch over the soil surface slows down water loss, keeping the soil moist for longer periods. With these steps, you can transform your garden into a drought-resistant wonderland. Embracing a drought-resistant landscape not only saves water, but also creates a unique aesthetic appeal. Today, we've explored the significance of such landscapes and the steps you can take to create your own. Why not try these techniques out? Witness the transformation in your own garden and enjoy the satisfaction of contributing to water conservation. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful and hit the subscribe button for more garden-related tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.